Take care of your aqua, committed to improving water quality and removing odors, changing water less frequently. Makes it easier for you to take care of your fish and gives them a more comfortable and cleaner environment. 4-in-1 machine filter, Deodorize, increase oxygen, water circulation, can be directly used in the fish tank without other connection requirements. Excellent effect. It can be used in both fresh water and saltwater. After you run the machine continuously for 2 to 3 days, you will see the water quality improve and the water will become clearer gradually. The specific time depends on the original water quality and the size of the fish tank. 1-year warranty. If any questions or problems, please contact the service mailbox on the package. We will solve and reply in 24 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. We have a 55-gallon tank where after about a week of having fish in it, had an algae bloom. The visibility was terrible, and unless the fish were within a couple of inches from the glass, they were just shadows swimming around. We purchased this product and installed it, very easy installation, on Saturday afternoon. Each day showed improvement, and by today, Thursday, you're able to see clearly to the background. I plan on keeping this filter in permanently and highly recommend it for anyone looking to clarify their tank.